Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you in this video the S&P 500 for the past week, the results if we traded the 15 and the 5-minute chart. Alright, so let's get it. Today is the 4th of January, so I will start on Monday, the December 30 with my charting, okay? And this is the 15-minute and the indicator. So if you stay until the end of the video, if you watch everything, you like, subscribe, you give me a comment, I will share with you the indicator, what it is, which one it is, and how to set up the indicator. All right, so stay to the end of the video and I will show you exactly this indicator. This is Monday. We will start at 3 p.m. European time because I'm based in Europe. And we will start to watch the chart at 3 p.m. So that's basically 9 a.m. New York. 9 a.m. New York. Okay, and we will just watch and take trades from the indicator. Let's get it. So we can see here nothing is happening. This is the opening here, 9:30 New York and 3:30 Europe. And we can see the first signal we got here. And that's 9:15 European time, so this must be around 3:15 p.m. New York time. And we got a first signal. This is the power hour in New York, and we can see clearly moves coming in.
You subscribe and like this video. It costs you nothing. Exactly, it's free.
Let me show you the trade setup. So I would enter on this trade exactly here, on this candle. I will make this candle blue. So this is the control bar, like a big candle, you can see this. And this is a GBI, green bar ignored. In my case, my chart is, I have white and black candles. Don't bother about that. You can have green or red candles. In my case, white candle, it's a green candle. Don't be confused by that. All right, so we enter exactly on the blue line and we put our stop loss 6.3. I give a buffer of 0.5 minimum in the S&P 500. On a different pair, I use different points. So we were target 1-to-1, 6.8, and this trade would be a winner. Just trading the 15-minute and waiting for a signal. Okay, so if you risk on this trade 100, you would be now having 100. And this trade would not stop us out. I'm sure somebody will comment below, yeah, the first trade is a loss. It's not, because this candle, you can see the GBI or the green candle, in my case, the next candle, the red one, it's opening here. And we put our sell stop, the blue line, below the body from the white candle or green. And this candle is going first up and then pushing down like sellers coming in. So this is not a loss, because I know I will see comments that this is a loss. It's not. First trade, winner. Let's go to Tuesday. That was 31st December. You can see here the green line. And then we open 3:30 p.m. European time, that's 9:30 New York. Let's go. We can see the blue line and the little red line are pointing down. So the 9 EMA crossed the 20 and the VWAP and the 200, of course, already. I will remove this blue line, that's from the previous trade. And the first signal we got here, the CB, the control bar, or like Oliver Velez would say, elephant bar. And this candle came at 5:15 European time, so it's around, I believe, 10:11 New York. And then we placed our trade like this. I will give you a blue line here again, below the body from the green, my case white candle. We position the trade here. That's our stop loss is 6.7. Okay. And we target 6.7. Here we go, 6.8, perfect. This trade, it's a winner. So we have another winner. And this trade, again, it's not a loser. Why? Because this candle, the GBI, The next candle, it's opening here, going up and then pushing down. And the trade would trigger us here in. And then the next candle, it's opening here again, going up, but it's not stopping us out. And then pushing down. The next candle finally broke like really down. That's not a loser, it's another win. And that's Tuesday. Wednesday we didn't trade because it was New Year. And then we are Thursday, 2nd January. The 2nd January. Wednesday we were not trading because it was New Year, the 1st of January. And today is the 2nd. Let's go. Let's see where we got the first signal. We got the first signal control bar, like a big seller pushing down on 6:30 European time. So that's around 12:30 New York. Here we go. We enter the trade. That's the blue line. I enter the trade below the body. I place my end trade here. I give a buffer of 0.5 always, so 11 points in my case. And I target 11 to TP, so to the target. And here we go. Let me zoom this again more. Okay. So our stop loss was not hit. That's the first thing. This candle opened the top, a little wick, and then it was shooting down. We got triggered on the blue line here. It didn't went to our TP, but the next candle didn't go, the next one did. So that trade would be like 30 to 45 minutes to hit our TP. And we would make another $100 per trade. Or look, depending on how much you risk, you can risk on this trade 500 and you can make 500. You can risk 1,000 and you will make 1,000. And that's another winner. That's Thursday. Let's go to Friday now. And Friday, we can see nothing. We got no signals from the indicator, so we will not trade this. Okay, and that was the 15-minute chart. So now we saw Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, New Year, didn't trade. And now I'm going to show you the 5-minute. The 5-minute, the same example, we start to watch the market at 3 p.m. European time. That's 9 a.m. New York. And let's see what the 5-minute will give us. First signals that we get after, of course, the 9 a.m. New York, it's this one. We can see the 9 EMA, it's crossing the 20. We see a big push, this candle here. And we enter on this candle. That's the blue line. We position our trade like this. Stop loss below the RBI, the red bar ignored, 7.5. We target 7.5. Here we go, another winner. Let's go to Tuesday, the 31st December. Here we go. We can see the market is weak. The blue 9 EMA is crossing the 20. We are crossing the VWAP and the 200. So this is already telling me the market is very, very weak. But we are just waiting for a signal to happen. We can see nothing on the 5-minute. Nothing. This was the trade, I believe, from the 15-minute. All right. Well, we are observing now the 5-minute. Then we get a big signal, or the control bar, elephant bar. And in this case, I believe we will not be profitable. That would be a loser. But if you consider to take in this trade, well, I would not take it. And let me tell you why. Because the blue line, it's not crossing the red one. So the 9 EMA, it's not crossing the 20. That's my rule, okay? And another rule that I don't like, you see this here? This, I will remove this now, but this area for me represents big support. You can see we had a big seller here pushing the price down. And we just came exactly into the seller, but the seller was here. So I will not take this trade, it's too risky. You can, but for me, it's just risky. I will not take it. I know myself. So this is no trade. Let's continue. We had another trade that was a winner. Okay, I will remember this. Then we are here on Thursday, the 2nd January. What we can see here, another signal happened on 4:20 p.m. European time. That's around 10:20, I believe, New York. The blue line is going below the white body. Let me zoom in, you can see better. Here we go. We position our trade. Here we got triggered 8.6, our target, and here 8.6. Here we go. And we were profitable on the 5-minute on this setup. Perfect. So far, we didn't get any losers following the 15 and the 5-minute. This trade, like I said, I will not take because it's just too risky. This is too risky for one reason only. This is the reason. It's a support here, seller. And if you don't break this, I will not take it. That's my rule of thumb. But we had here one trade on the 15, I remember. That was a winner. And then we go to the last day. That's Friday, January 3rd. You can see here the green line. The first signal we got here, we will just concentrate on the signals. And the signal came 9:25 p.m. That's European time. I think it's around 2 or 1 New York. We will take the trade. That's the control bar. If we take the first one, right, we take it here. We position our buy stop here. Stop loss is going below the RBI 2.6, and we target 2.6, and we have a winner.
We have 5 seconds. Click the subscribe button, like, and share this video.
And then we got another signal to take this trade. And I will not position this trade because one is enough. But that's all for today. You can see we traded on the 15-minute and 15. Let's check now the trades, how many we got. So on the 15-minute, we got one winner on Monday, another winner on Tuesday. Wednesday we were not trading, was New Year. Thursday, another winner on the 15, and Friday we got no signals. So we have 1, 2, 3 winners on the 15-minute trading this setup. Then we go to the 5-minute. That's Monday. We have winner on the 5-minute, and that's not the same trade if you look, because that's a short, and we enter this trade late. And this Monday we got it set up after the opening of New York, so that's important. So on if you observe the 15 and 5-minute, you will get more opportunities trading the 5 and the 15. Monday, another winner, so we have 4 winners. Tuesday, I will not take this trade because that was too risky. Here, for example, we see the blue line crossing the 20 EMA, so we could enter this. If this is our rule, we enter above the body of the RBI. We target 1 to 1. 3.7 I can trade, and 3.7 is our target. We will hit this trade. Here we go, another winner. So we have now 4 winners. Yes, 1, 2, 3. There was no trade. 4, 5, and we go here. That's another winner. 6, and Friday 7. Altogether, we had 7 trades from Monday to Friday. Wednesday we didn't trade. It was New Year. All winners if you stick to your rules. So if you risk $100, you will make 700. If you risk 500 per trade, you got 7 trades, you will make 3,500 per this week. Just imagine, you risk 100 per trade, you got 7 trade opportunities, you just follow this indicator, you would make $700 this week. You risk $500 per trade, you got 7 opportunities, following the setup from the indicator, you will make $3,500. And let me show you on the indicator, you need to go to here, To indicators, metrics, you click here and you put here in RBI. And then you can see here RBI and GBI strategy by Bellies. This is important, Bellies. You click on it and then you have it. And then you can see here the settings. I will show you exactly my settings that I have. Pause the video, just check if you have the same. I unchecked some stuff because I don't need, but you can see what I have. Nothing complicated. You need always 30% minimum body percentage. That's important for a GBI or RBI. And you can see right now all my settings, what I have checked, what I have unchecked, and that's important. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have any wishes for another market or gold or NASDAQ to see the setups for me to do a review, please let me know below. Subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody that will benefit from it. Thank you for watching and talk to you next time.
You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.